Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. It's the Game 2 of Rebisco Regional Final Bicol Region 2024 between Naga College Foundation against Santa Elena Integrated School here at the NCF Covered Court. Together with me is Rick Puerta at magbibigay kami sa inyo ng maiinit na updates here at the court.
So this live streaming is powered by Converge and we are live at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. So nabanggit mo nga kanina, Aljan, it's between the NCF Tigers and the Santa Elena Integrated School. So this is their second encounter dito sa Regional Rebisco Volleyball League. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang match na ito. It's either on the side of the NCF Tigers or will the Santa Elena bounce back from that defeat last night, yes, on this same venue, the NCF Covered Court. So yan po ang aabangan natin all throughout this match.
A long way to go for these girls. NCF Tigers a while ago was able to win against their opponent, MCSI. However, these their opponent fall yesterday and lost against their opponent, Rick. So a lot of improvements and adjustment for these both teams. We're seeing a lot of good games here this afternoon and we're rooting for their safety in these games.
So as we can see on our background, nagkakaroon na ng warm-up ang side ng Santa Elena Integrated School. So in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang bakbakan between these two teams only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at the NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
And we're back here live at the NCF Covered Court for this afternoon matchup between NCF Lady Tigers against Santa Elena Integrated Schools. And you can tune in this coverage live at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and One Media TV 48 Naga. A rally. Abetria tries, but it was a violation committed by Santa Elena Integrated School. Point will go to NCF Lady Tigers.
So first point will be on the side of the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Kutito on the deck to serve ng Pasqua. Setting that one to Ladislao, at napaganda pa nga doon ang hit na yon ni Ladislao. So we are all tied up at 1. Now Ladislao to serve. Kutitob setting up Servidad with that powerful cross-court hit.
That was a first powerful hit coming from the NCF Lady Tigers. No blocker rake on that last sequence. Nakaabang sana yung defenders ng Santa Elena. However, it wasn't expected. And straight to the net, point for Santa Elena.
So, this would be a challenge on the side of Santa Elena because wala pa po silang panalo dito sa ating Regional Rebisco Volleyball League. So, this is their chance to bounce back from that loss yesterday against these NCF Tigers.
Now we're seeing a long rally here on the opposite. And a soft touch wasn't successful. A back-to-back point for Santa Elena. Pasqua is on the deck to serve. That sails outside, coming from Pasqua. Now Abetria is on the deck to serve. A hard serve coming from Abetria.
So we know na talagang nagbibitaw ng mga heavy serves itong NCF Tigers. So these Santa Elena Integrated School need to strengthen their floor defense. And nagkakaroon sila dito, Aljo, ng first ball problem. So yun ang kailangan ditong ma-improve on the side of their team.
Tama ka dyan, Rick. But we're seeing a long rally here. That wasn't successfully. Now a point again for NCF Tigers. 5-3. A slow start for Santa Elena. Again, a heavy serve. 2 points for Abetria coming from a service ace.
So kanina niya pa tina-target itong zone 1 on the side of this dire wolf. Let's see kung makakabawi na ba sila dito. Another great serve. And another service ace coming from Kisha Abitria. So nakakailang aces na itong si Abitria on the side of the Lady Tigers.
Again, a heavy service coming from Abitria. She's targeting the zone 1 again and again.
So kanina pa tina-target nitong si Abitria, si Pasqua on the side of Dire Wolves na talagang nahihirapan on the side of their team. Let's see kung patuloy bang magkakaroon ng aces itong si Kisha Abitria, and right on cue, Kisha Abitria continuously serving well dito sa ating set number 1.
Speaking of serving well, Pasqua at least, adjust how she received the ball kasi kanina pa siya tina-target. And knowing Abitri, a good reader in terms of the service, and a back-to-back service ace for Abitria. Almost 6-0 run for service aces solely Rick. So ang ganda talagang,
And mind you, Aljon, points pa lamang ito ni Abitria on the side of the NCF Tigers. Very deadly server.
And a good save. An almost split for Santa Elena, but again, they're struggling to even have a good first ball.
And the coverage as well, talagang medyo kapos dito on the side of Santa Elena. They need to adjust at this moment because lumolobo na dito ang kalamangang hawak ng NCF. Now, Kutito setting up Servidad with that powerful attack. Again, para dito sa NCF Tigers, Santa Elena, they need to rotate at this moment para maiwasan nila ang deadly serve dito.
That's
ni
true,
Kisha Abitri. And yun nga, Aljon, mapapatawag ng timeout ang kupunan ng Santa Elena Integrated School. So ano kaya ang magiging adjustment dito when it comes to their team?
I think one thing that they should focus on is really reading where the ball is going and also maximizing their strength. Because NCF Tigers can really serve power, but the Santa Elena on the receiving end, they have to focus on defensive ends, and I think they must be able to do now because NCF Tigers can pull it away in this first set.
14-3 on our scoreboard. This is a big gap or big lead on the side of NCF Tigers. Let's see after this timeout kung makakakuha na ba ng magandang momentum itong Santa Elena. Again, Kisha Abitria is on the serving deck at this moment. Kanina pa siya dito. Again, Abitria on the deck to serve. Free ball will be given on the side of the Tigers. Kutitob setting up. Antang. Combination play was good.
The NCF Tigers really maximizing these, soft returns coming from the Santa Elena. They were able to maximize plays. Also a good set coming from their setter. That's why they can really manufacture a kill. Now Santa Elena struggling in their first ball, and that was a lucky point for Santa Elena.
So this is the side out na kailangan ng ating Santa Elena Integrated School. No room for error on their side. 15-4 po ang ating scoreboard. They need to double their effort at this moment. Now Belga serving that ball. Good serve. Kutitob to Antang. Nobody homes and walang blocker, Aljon, on that last attack coming from Antang. So talagang libreng-libreng pumalo ang side ng NCF.
Again, a loaded serve and a free ball. And that was an easy point for the Tigers. No coverage there. Nagtitinginan lang dito ang Santa Elena kung sino ang kukuha. And I think, there were some miscommunications here. Even the rotations, I guess.
And I would like to commend the setter of this NCF Tigers for maximizing her attacker. Kutitob to Antang, too strong on that hit. So free point will be given on the side of the Santa Elena Integrated School.
Aminga on the deck to serve. On the open, a soft touch. A great coverage coming from Santa Elena. Again, a one-hand dig. Good pick up from Abitria. Pushing on the backcourt. I think that was a missed underhand set. On the quick, finding the hole there, an easy point for the middle blocker of NCF.
So Daniel finding an open spot on the side of Santa Elena. Again, nabanggit mo kanina, Algin, yung rotation nitong Santa Elena. Talagang nahihirapan sila when it comes to their coverage. Now Daniel on that service line.
And a violation, a net touch committed by Santa Elena. You know, these error streak can actually pile up and can create a huge gap in terms of points. The NCF Tigers really dominating this first set. Again, poor first ball. A quick for Santos, nobody home, and no blockers on that last sequence.
I think miss-hit pa nga yun on the side of Santos. But again, a point is a point. NCF Tigers. 25 on our scoreboard, and with that error, another free point will be added on the side of the Santa Elena Integrated School. A set 1 domination on the side of this NCF Tigers. Santa Elena needs to lessen their error because again, 21-6 na po ang ating scoreboard. 4 more points para sa Tigers to get this set number 1.
Now a free ball. Another middle attack for Santos. Nahuli doon ng blockers, and that last sequence coming from a free ball. If you are a team na naghahabol, Rick, you have to really maximize the plays because free ball is, you know, can manufacture a kill for your
pag
opponent.
Binigyan mo talaga ng free ball itong NCF, talagang papatayin nila ang mga opportunity nasa kanila. And a 1-2 play para kay Kutitob. Nice move. And now, Antang on the service deck.
A lucky point for Antang. Really, you know, reading where to place her service. Now Antang still on the deck to serve. Another free ball. Abetria had to adjust. Medyo mababa ang set na yon. Abetria wasn't able to keep that ball alive. And 25-6, a win for set for NCF Tigers. We'll be right back for more actions. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for our second set. And the first point will go on the side of the Santa Elena Integrated School. Service error para dito kay Francisco.
Now the second set can be a grace for Santa Elena to bounce back, and also the NCF Tigers can sustain their momentum in the second set.
So back-to-back service errors for both teams. Not a good start for both teams. So sino kaya ang makakakuha dito ng service ace? Daniela with that strong serve. Free ball. Francisco setting up Rendal, soft touch. Nabantayan doon now Pasqua setting up her teammate. Nuay. Nice reaction on the side of the Santa Elena. But Santos using her left hand on that last sequence.
That was quite a long rally for both teams. You can see Rick na ang Santa Elena really trying their best to hang on in this game against the NCF. Now again a poor reception and a lucky point for Santa Elena. A campfire coming from the NCF Tigers. Didn't expect them to drop on that area. And now Santa Elena is on the deck to serve. A back-to-back points. The sign of life for Santa Elena. Now 3 against 2. Jersey number 8 serving. Doesn't cross the net. An automatic point for the NCF.
Rendal on the deck to serve. What a good serve.
A heavy service coming from Randal. Again, a free ball. A good pick-up for Santa Elena. Another free ball. No, can NCF Tiger and the Santos are running. That sails outside. Jersey number 14 is on the deck to serve. On the open. That was a fast skill coming from NCF Tigers. You can see the wind up on that last sequence. Now on the deck to serve, jersey number 5. A miscue for Santa Elena.
Now Nuay ready now to serve on the side of the NCF Tigers. Straight to the net. So, 1-point game para dito sa ating second set. Now, this is the time for the Santa Elena Integrated School para makalamang dito on the side of the NCF Tigers or even tied up the match. But again, jersey number 4.
A single blocker.
Yes.
That's true.
Napakagandang atake on that last sequence.
A full wind up as well. With jersey number 4 challenging the single block. And now Santos is on the deck to serve. That was a sharp serve coming from Santos.
Ladislao will give up a free ball. Francisco sa ating again, our teammate. Belga. No good on that attempt.
Belga at the time quite underneath the ball. That's why she committed a wrong contact. And that's end up, straight into the net. No, against Santos. Back-to-back service aces for her. Everyone are serving well on the side of NCF Tigers.
Let's see para dito kay Santos kung makakakuha pa siya ng ace. And right on cue, another service ace. Kung kanina sa set number 1 si Abitria, ngayon si Santos naman. 11-5 on our scoreboard. Again, NCF Tigers are slowly pulling away para dito sa ating second set. Back-to-back aces.
A poor reception for Santa Elena. Now Tigers gave up a free ball, but Santa Elena, especially Belga, didn't commit herself to fully get that ball.
Actually, it's a free ball on the side of the Santa Elena. Santos with a beautiful serve. Francisco, 1-2 play. Another 1-2 play para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Very successful.
Still Santos on the deck to serve. And that sails outside. 6-14. No, Santa Elena is on the deck to serve. for first ball. But Tigers still was able to get that point. That one's really showing a domination in terms of the serve. Jersey number 4, as effective in her spikes. Now a sunk receive coming from Santa Elena. A quick, nice push, but still dug up. No, on the open, challenging the single block.
Another error committed on the side of the Santa Elena. Jersey number 4 again on the deck to serve. This time straight to the net.
Now 19 against 7. 6 points away for Tigers. A miscue and a free ball coming from NCF. A good pickup. 1-2 play. Great dug up by Santa Elena. Can NCF end this? A middle attack. Good pickup. We're seeing a long rally here. On the open. Challenging the single block. Again on the open. Targeting the down the line was successful. You know, Santa Elena showing also their strength and endurance on that long rally, but NCF was able to get that point. A jump serve sails outside.
Five more points on the side of NCF to get this win against the Santa Elena. Now on the side of Santa Elena, they need to have a strong connection and play at this moment. Pero again, unforced error. Nakakarami na dito on the side of the Santa Elena Integrated School, and a timeout was called on their side to clear things up. 21-8 on our scoreboard.
In Santa Elena, the team, everyone, you know, it must something to do in this second set. Perhaps a few points away for NCF Tigers. However, they can still create an energy where they can enjoy the game, because it's, you know, a learning rec for this game. I think, you know, the Santa Elena must somehow foster that kind of spirit. Now back on the ball game, NCF Tigers eyeing for their fourth win in this league,
and aiming to sweep this league with their winning streak. Now Danielle on the deck to serve. Barcasio and her teammates give up a free ball. Rendal will try, Ball still alive. But this time, Bercasio overcooking that one.
We see a lot of free balls coming from Santa Elena. I think that's something that they should, stop from doing because it's a free point for NCF Tigers. They should at least try to create a point for their team. Again, a free ball. A running for Santos. And she was successful. 2 points away for NCF. Danielle is on the deck to serve. A poor reception again and a free ball. Now a free ball for Santa Elena. And they give again a free ball. On the combination play, you can really hear the power coming from that attack.
And with that powerful attack, NCF is now at match point. 24-8 on our scoreboard. And Danielle ending this game with a service ace. So congratulations on the side of the Naga College Foundation for winning this game against the Santa Elena Integrated School. So later on, magkakaroon pa po tayo ng match-up. So patuloy lang po sa panunood dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.